Welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is baptisma. Dear friends, Erene Humin, peace be with you. This is Father Joel Camaya, Salesian of Don Bosco, and welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is baptisma. Baptisma means baptism, immersion. It's not just water poured over us. It is immersion into Christ's death and resurrection. The sacrament that makes us a new creation. As Paul writes in Romans chapter 6, verse 4, we were indeed buried with him through baptism into death, so that just as Christ was raised from the dead, we too might live in the newness of life. And then Ephesians chapter 4, verse 5 further reminds us, one Lord, one faith, one baptism. This means that baptism is the foundation of our unity as Christians. Yung binyag, di ba? Yun yung simula ng ating pagiging anak ng Diyos. It's the starting point of discipleship, the moment when we are marked as God's own children. Para sa ating mga Kristiyano, malalim ang ibig sabihin nitong salitang ito. Tinatawag tayo hindi lamang para tanggapin yung biyaya na yon, pero para tumugon na kumbinsido tayo at may ginagawa tayo. Here's the challenge. How do we live our baptism today in our discipleship? Kung tunay na binyagan tayo, nakikita ba yun sa buhay natin? Do we allow our lives to reflect the newness of Christ? Or do we slip back into old ways of sin? Baptism is both gift and mission. Biyaya at misyon. Nagiging anak tayo ng Diyos. It makes us children of God and sends us to live as witnesses of His love. And that's our word for today. May these words accompany us as we grow in faith. Meron ba mga salita sa Biblia na mas gusto niyong maintindihan at malaman kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Pwede kayong mag-comment, magtanong kayo at sasagutin natin yan. And of course, I invite you to like, to share, and to subscribe.